Want to know a secret? Stick with me till the end when I unveil a unique affiliate model you never knew existed. Affiliate marketing isn't just about quick money, it's about strategic relationship building. Imagine this. You have a friend who's crazy about baking. They're always searching for the best cake decorating tools. You, being an awesome friend, tell them about this amazing website you found with top-notch tools. Your friend buys from the website, happy as can be, and you get a little something for the recommendation. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's about sharing value and getting rewarded for it. In the vast world of online business, affiliate marketing shines as a beacon of opportunity, especially for beginners. It's like planting seeds that bloom into passive income. You put in the initial effort, and the rewards keep coming. But here's the catch. Success in affiliate marketing isn't about stumbling upon some magical formula. It's about understanding the game and playing it smart. It's about finding a niche that resonates with you, connecting with your audience authentically, and recommending products you truly believe in. This isn't just about making money. It's about building relationships, fostering trust, and becoming a reliable source of information in your chosen field. So, are you ready to unlock the potential of affiliate marketing? Let's dive in and explore this exciting world together. Affiliate marketing might seem like a complex maze, but it's surprisingly straightforward. Let's break it down. You find a product or service you love, you join that company's affiliate program, and they give you a unique link. You share this link with your audience, on your blog, social media, emails, anywhere you connect with people. When someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a commission. It's like being a virtual salesperson, but without the pressure of cold calling or door-to-door selling. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer support. Your focus is on connecting with your audience and recommending products that genuinely add value to their lives. It's a win-win situation. Your audience gets valuable recommendations, the company gets more sales, and you earn a commission for facilitating the process. Think of it as word-of-mouth marketing, amplified by the power of the internet. You're essentially getting paid for sharing your recommendations with a wider audience. It's a business model that thrives on trust and authenticity, where genuine enthusiasm for the products you promote can make all the difference. Why is affiliate marketing creating such a buzz? Well, the benefits are hard to ignore. First off, it offers incredible flexibility. You can work from anywhere, anytime, as long as you have an internet connection. It's a business you can build around your life, not the other way around. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking for a side hustle, affiliate marketing can fit seamlessly into your schedule. Second, the earning potential is vast. As you build your audience and refine your strategies, your income can grow exponentially. Imagine earning commissions while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. That's the power of passive income that affiliate marketing offers. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building a sustainable income stream that can provide long-term financial freedom. Finally, affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to learn and grow. You'll gain valuable skills in online marketing, content creation, and audience engagement skills that are highly sought after in today's digital landscape. It's a continuous learning journey where you're constantly experimenting, adapting, and refining your approach. So not only can you earn money, but you can also gain valuable skills and knowledge along the way. Let's dive in. Your step-by-step guide to affiliate success. Ready to embark on your affiliate marketing adventure? Time to get a pen. Here's a simple roadmap to get you started. First, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics do you enjoy talking about? Your niche should be something you're genuinely interested in, as this will make it easier to create engaging content and connect with your audience authentically. Next, find affiliate programs. Once you have a niche, research companies that offer affiliate programs in that area. Look for reputable companies with quality products that you would genuinely recommend. Then, build your platform. You need a platform to connect with your audience. This could be a blog, a website, a social media page, or an email list. Choose a platform that aligns with your niche and your preferred way of communicating. Moving on, create valuable content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and naturally incorporates your affiliate links. This could be blog posts, videos, social media updates, or email newsletters. After that, promote your content. Once you have great content, promote it to reach a wider audience. Utilize social media, SEO strategies, and paid advertising to get your content in front of the right people. Lastly, track and analyze. Monitor your affiliate links' performance and analyze what's working and what's not. This data will help you refine your strategies and improve your results over time. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your affiliate marketing success. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passion, knowledge, and audience demand intersect. Start by brainstorming topics you're genuinely interested in. What do you love learning about? What are you naturally good at explaining to others? Next, research the market demand for your potential niches. Are people actively searching for information and products in those areas? Use keyword research tools to gauge the search volume and competition for your chosen keywords. A high search volume indicates strong demand, while low competition suggests an opportunity to stand out. Remember, your niche should be something you can talk about passionately and knowledgeably for years to come. It's about building a long-term business, not just chasing fleeting trends. By choosing a niche that truly resonates with you, you'll find it easier to create compelling content, connect with your audience, and sustain your enthusiasm over time. Now, for that secret I promised, a unique affiliate model you never knew existed. This model is a secret done-for-you affiliate business that you can launch in just 7 days or less. Want to learn more about this exciting model and unlock its potential? I've created a free resource packed with courses, strategies, and tips, and a surefire way to make money. Check my description to access this valuable resource and discover how you can leverage this powerful model to boost your affiliate earnings. Remember, the world of affiliate marketing is vast and full of opportunities. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop hustling.